Welcome to our comprehensive guide on clindamycin, a widely used antibiotic medication. In this video, we will delve into the common uses, benefits, potential side effects, recommended dosage, and risks associated with this medication. Whether you have been prescribed clindamycin or are simply curious about its uses, we have you covered. Clindamycin is a powerful antibiotic that targets and fights various types of bacteria in the body. It is commonly prescribed to treat infections in the skin, lungs, blood, and other parts of the body. This medication works by inhibiting the growth of bacteria, ultimately clearing and preventing any further infection. Common uses of clindamycin. Clindamycin has a wide range of applications in the medical field. One of its most common uses is the treatment of skin infections. It is highly effective in combating infections caused by bacteria such as Staphylococcus aureus and Streptococcus pyogenes. These infections can include cellulitis, impetigo, and abscesses. Clindamycin is often prescribed when other antibiotics have failed or when the infection is resistant to other medications. Another common use of clindamycin is in the treatment of dental infections. Dental abscesses, which are caused by bacterial infections, can be effectively treated with this medication. Clindamycin can penetrate the tissues around the teeth and clear the infection, providing relief from pain and swelling. Clindamycin is also prescribed for respiratory tract infections, such as pneumonia and bronchitis. It can effectively target and eliminate the bacteria responsible for these infections, reducing symptoms and promoting recovery. Additionally, it is used to treat bone and joint infections, as well as pelvic inflammatory disease in women. In summary, clindamycin is commonly used to treat various types of infections, including skin infections, dental infections, respiratory tract infections, and bone and joint infections. Benefits of using clindamycin. Clindamycin offers several benefits when used as prescribed by a healthcare professional. One of the key advantages of this medication is its broad-spectrum activity against different types of bacteria. It is effective against both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, making it a versatile choice for treating various infections. Another benefit of clindamycin is its ability to penetrate deep into tissues, allowing it to reach the site of infection more effectively. This is particularly important in cases of deep-seated infections, where other antibiotics may not be able to reach the bacteria effectively. Furthermore, clindamycin has been found to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce swelling and inflammation associated with infections. This can provide relief from symptoms and aid in the healing process. It is worth noting that clindamycin is available in different formulations, including oral capsules, topical creams, gels, and lotions. This allows for flexibility in treatment options, depending on the type and location of the infection. Overall, the benefits of using clindamycin include its broad-spectrum activity, ability to penetrate deep into tissues, anti-inflammatory properties, and various formulation options. Potential side effects of clindamycin. Like any medication, clindamycin can cause potential side effects. While most people tolerate the medication well, it is important to be aware of possible adverse reactions. Common side effects of clindamycin include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. These gastrointestinal symptoms are usually mild and resolve on their own. If these side effects become severe or persistent, it is important to consult a healthcare professional. In rare cases, clindamycin can cause more serious side effects. Allergic reactions, such as skin rashes, itching, and swelling, may occur. It is important to seek immediate medical attention if any signs of an allergic reaction are experienced. In some cases, clindamycin can also lead to the development of a serious intestinal condition called Clostridium difficile-associated diarrhea, CDAD. Symptoms of CDAD include severe diarrhea, abdominal pain, and fever. If any of these symptoms occur, it is crucial to contact a healthcare professional. It is also worth mentioning that clindamycin can interact with other medications, such as erythromycin and certain blood thinners. It is important to inform your healthcare provider about all the medications you are taking to avoid potentially harmful interactions. While clindamycin can have side effects, it is important to weigh the risks against the potential benefits when considering this medication as a treatment option. Recommended dosage of clindamycin. The recommended dosage of clindamycin can vary depending on the type and severity of the infection, as well as the individual patient. It is important to follow the prescribed dosage and duration of treatment as instructed by a healthcare professional. For most infections, the typical adult dosage of clindamycin is 150,300 mg taken orally every 6 hours. The dosage may be adjusted based on the specific infection and the patient's response to treatment. It is important to complete the full course of antibiotics, even if symptoms improve, to ensure the infection is fully cleared. In some cases, clindamycin may be administered intravenously for severe infections or when oral administration is not possible. The intravenous dosage is typically higher and should be administered under the supervision of a healthcare professional. For pediatric patients, the dosage of clindamycin is based on the child's weight and the severity of the infection. It is crucial to follow the dosage instructions provided by the prescribing healthcare professional to ensure safe and effective treatment. Risks associated with clindamycin. While clindamycin is generally safe when used as prescribed, there are certain risks associated with its use. One of the main concerns is the potential development of antibiotic resistance. Overuse or misuse of antibiotics can contribute to the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, which can be difficult to treat. It is important to use clindamycin only when necessary and as directed by a healthcare professional to help prevent the emergence of antibiotic resistance. Another risk associated with clindamycin is the potential for adverse drug interactions. As mentioned earlier, clindamycin can interact with other medications, such as erythromycin and certain blood thinners. It is crucial to inform your healthcare provider about all the medications you are taking to avoid harmful interactions. In rare cases, clindamycin can also cause a serious condition called pseudomembranous colitis, which is characterized by severe diarrhea, abdominal pain, and fever. If these symptoms occur, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. It is important to discuss the potential risks and benefits of clindamycin with a healthcare professional before starting treatment. Clindamycin versus other antibiotics. Clindamycin is just one of many antibiotics available for the treatment of bacterial infections. Each antibiotic has its own unique characteristics, efficacy, and potential side effects. The choice of antibiotic depends on factors such as the type of infection, the bacteria causing it, and the individual patient's medical history. Comparing clindamycin to other antibiotics, it is known for its broad-spectrum activity against different types of bacteria. This makes it a suitable choice for infections caused by both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. However, it is worth mentioning that clindamycin may not be the first-line treatment for all infections. In some cases, other antibiotics may be preferred based on factors such as local resistance patterns or specific guidelines. Ultimately, the choice of antibiotic should be made in consultation with a healthcare professional, taking into consideration the individual patient's needs and the characteristics of the infection. Precautions when using clindamycin. When using clindamycin, it is important to take certain precautions to ensure safe and effective treatment. Here are some key precautions to keep in mind. Follow the prescribed dosage and duration of treatment as instructed by a healthcare professional. Do not stop taking the medication early, even if symptoms improve, as this can contribute to the development of antibiotic resistance. Inform your healthcare provider about all the medications you are taking, including over-the-counter medications and supplements, to avoid potential drug interactions. If you experience any severe or persistent side effects, such as allergic reactions or severe diarrhea, seek immediate medical attention. Do not share clindamycin with others, even if they have similar symptoms, as the medication may not be suitable for their specific condition. Store clindamycin at the recommended temperature and away from moisture and sunlight. Follow the storage instructions provided by the manufacturer. By following these precautions, you can help ensure safe and effective treatment with clindamycin. Alternatives to clindamycin. While clindamycin is a commonly prescribed antibiotic, there are alternatives available for the treatment of bacterial infections. The choice of antibiotic depends on factors such as the type of infection, the bacteria causing it, and the individual patient's medical history. Some alternatives to clindamycin include penicillins. Penicillin antibiotics, such as amoxicillin and ampicillin, are often used to treat a wide range of bacterial infections. Cephalosporins. Cephalosporin antibiotics, such as cephalexin and ceftriaxone, are effective against many types of bacteria and are commonly used for various infections. Macrolides. Macrolide antibiotics, such as azithromycin and erythromycin, are often prescribed for respiratory tract infections and skin infections. Tetracyclines. Tetracycline antibiotics, such as doxycycline and minocycline, are commonly used for the treatment of acne and other skin infections. It is important to discuss the available alternatives with a healthcare professional to determine the most appropriate antibiotic for your specific condition. Conclusion. Clindamycin is a powerful antibiotic medication that is commonly used to treat various bacterial infections. It offers several benefits, including broad-spectrum activity, deep tissue penetration, and anti-inflammatory properties. However, it is important to be aware of the potential side effects and risks associated with its use. By following the recommended dosage, taking precautions, and discussing any concerns with a healthcare professional, you can ensure safe and effective treatment with clindamycin. It is also important to consider alternatives when necessary, as different antibiotics may be more suitable for certain infections. Remember, clindamycin should only be used under the guidance of a healthcare professional, and it is important to complete the full course of antibiotics to ensure the infection is fully cleared.